So if you're looking for easy and inexpensive projects to do with your kids, here is the perfect one. Gardening is such a beneficial fun, and we are starting garden this year in egg cartons. So what I'm doing here is cutting this egg flat into half, and then I'm gonna wrap it up in a foil. And I'm doing this to prevent fluid and water leakage on the bottom. Then I'm going to fill each one of these little compartments with the potting soil. Make sure that each compartment has enough of soil. Next step is adding moisture to the soil and picking your favorite seeds. This year we are trying to plant Tahitian squash. This is something we're growing for the first time, so hopefully we'll be successful. Projects like these are so simple and they are lots of fun. Not just that you're going to enjoy having fun with your kids on the day of preparation of the seeds, but you're going to continue enjoying watching these seeds grow in your window and in your garden. Okay, we're almost done, so we'll finish it up with adding a little more water to make sure seeds have enough moisture. And then I'm going to take each one of these flats and I'm going to cover them with the saran wrap. Saran wrap will help regulate the moisture and the temperature for the seeds. And once you're done, set them up in a window and watch your seeds grow. In just a few days, you're going to witness a little miracle. Your seeds should sprout. And when they do, remove the saran wrap, continue to water them until they get stronger and ready for transplanting. Happy gardening, and thank you very much for watching.